Hello everyone, my name's Piao and I'm a relationship specialist with Desert Financial, and I've been with this awesome company for about 5 years. And so today I'm here to talk about the 4 basic auto insurance types. So the first one that I want to go over is going to be liability insurance. So what that one goes over is that in case you're ever in an accident, this one covers bodily injury, like medical bills, and it covers property damage. So with that one, a good rule of thumb is going to be 25, 50, and 15. So what this one means is that per accident, the max coverage per individual is going to be $25,000. And then the max coverage for all individuals is going to be capped at $50,000. And then the last one, there's going to be a cap of $15,000 of property damage coverage per accident. So that's a good rule of thumb to go by, the 25, 50, and 15 if you're looking for that liability coverage. And then the next one we have is going to be collision coverage. So that one's nice. It's going to be giving you a great peace of mind because no matter who's at fault, your vehicle's going to be fixed. So with that one, if you're looking for something like a higher deductible, you are going to get that lower payment, so that'll be nice if you're looking to save a little money extra every month. And then there's also the option of having a lower deductible, but with that one, you are going to get a little bit of a higher payment for your monthly premium. So what you really want to decide is which one's going to best suit your needs. Like if you value a car on the higher end, like because maybe it's newer, then obviously you'll probably want a little bit more coverage for that. Whereas if the vehicle is a little bit older, that one you may not need as much coverage. So that one's going to be a decision that's best left to you. And so the next one I want to move on to is going to be comprehensive coverage. So what that one covers is basically the unforeseeable events that may happen to your car, such as fire, or if it gets stolen, or even just weather damage. So for example, in Phoenix, the costliest hailstorm that resulted in about $2.8 billion in property damage. So that comprehensive, that's a good one to have. And you know, it's usually for leased or financed vehicles. So that one will really help you in a pinch for those unforeseeable events in life. So moving on to the next one, we have the underinsured and uninsured motorist. So what that means is that if you ever get in an accident and the other person either doesn't have insurance or perhaps doesn't have enough coverage of insurance for that accident, then that one covers you, so then you don't have to worry about extra stress or your insurance not covering it and you being out of pocket or anything. So that one's a very safe one to have to give you that peace of mind to cover basically all the what ifs that might happen. And also, in case you're wondering about that one, a nice fun little fact with that one is, according to the Insurance Information Institute, 1 in 10 drivers won't have either enough insurance or any insurance at all. So that one will definitely give you that peace of mind. So that goes over the 4 basic ones. So that concludes that portion of it. Now, I do kind of want to go over the other 3 smaller ones, which is going to be gap insurance, and then rental reimbursement, and then towing and labor. So usually some of your insurance may cover rental reimbursement and labor, so that one's a handy one to have. But the other major one that I want to go over is going to be the gap insurance one. That one's going to be really helpful because it can really honestly be helpful in as little as 1 day. Like, you know, you could drive your car off the lot, and then if it unfortunately happens, it could be, you know, in an accident and totaled out in the same day. So the nice thing about GAP is that it covers the difference between what you owe on the vehicle and what the insurance company pays based on the value of the vehicle. So for example, if your vehicle you financed, let's say it was for $30,000, and let's say you know, you drive it off the lot and unfortunately someone slams into it and it gets sold out, and maybe when the insurance company pays out for your lien holder, the amount ends up being something like 20,000, then unfortunately you would be responsible for the extra 10,000 on a vehicle that you can no longer drive. What gap insurance does is it comes in and it saves you from having to pay that difference from what the insurance company pays. So it can be a real lifesaver there. So that's an excellent one to have as well. And now that I've went over all of them, that concludes my video. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you like it and give it a thumbs up. Have a great day.